how to add black screen in CapCut. So if you want to add black screen in your CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After that, go with the edit section, which is on the bottom left, and then go with a new project and select a new project. In my case, I'll go and select one. Go with add, which is on the bottom right. Once you've added, if you want to add black screen, in my case, if I want to add a black screen right here, so I'll just simply go and select the part and then split. After splitting, here on the right side, you will have an ending, right? So you need to you can go with the ending section, which is on the left side, and here you will have your black screen. But if you get a watermark, then we can't use that. You can just simply go back, and here you need to select the second part of the video and swipe on the bottom, and you'll have overlay option. Tap on overlay, and once you've added the overlay, now you can simply go and adjust this part. I've selected this much, which is just 1 second. I want 1 second blank video. So if you want to add more, you can go and drag this like this to more if you want to, but I'll just simply go and select this much. And now if you play the video, then as you can see that you will have a black screen for a minute, and then your video will continue after that. In this way, you'll be able to add black screen in your CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.